Hey Bryce, it's Mrs. Ulickney here. I'm going to read you pages 3 through 21 in your science book. So get your book and follow along with me. We will start on page 3. It says, think about a rock. A rock has many properties. What does the rock look like? You can see rock and properties are darker than the other words because they are two of your vocabulary science words. Rocks can be small or large. They can be heavy or light. They can be smooth or rough. They can be round or flat, shiny or dull. Rocks can be different in many ways. Bryce, think about all the rocks you have found and how different all of them are. I know I used to love to collect rocks when I was a kid. Let's look on page 5. Some rocks are too big to hold in your hand. A rock can be as big as a mountain. So if you look at the picture, here is a rock and it's as big as a mountain. There's no way you could hold that in your hand. Page 6. Other rocks are so small that you can hold thousands in your hand. Look at the picture of a sand dune. Can you see the tiny rocks blowing in the wind? So if you look here, this is where the wind is blowing. And it's actually these rocks that are blowing in the wind. And they're so tiny that you could hold 1,000 in your hand. Rocks of all sizes can be found in rivers. Over time, rocks in a river become smooth. Rocks become smooth from rubbing against one another. So you can see in the picture, look how smooth the rocks are in the rivers because they rub together so much. That's probably also why they're really slippery. If you ever go wading in a river, it's super slippery. Page 8. Rocks of all sizes can be found in a desert too. How big is the rock you're thinking of? Are you thinking about a rock, Bryce? Think about all the rocks you've collected. Some are big, some are small, some are smooth, some are tough. Page 9. Rocks can be many different colors. They can be black, brown, red, or white. They might even be pink or green. Some rocks have speckles or stripes too. So look at this picture. Here's a pink rock. Here's one with different colors on it. It has little speckles on it. Very cool. Page 10. Rocks can be many different sizes. They can have different textures. You can see textures is a darker word, so this is one of your vocabulary science words. They can be many colors and shapes. They can even have patterns. What does the rock you're thinking about look like? Page 11. Ooh, we have a picture of different colorful rocks. What are these colorful objects? They are minerals. There are many different kinds of minerals. Minerals come in lots of different colors. So you can see minerals is a darker word. It's a key vocabulary word. Minerals, I know we can find a lot of minerals like in Crystal Cave or different kinds of places, and they can be all different colors. Page 12. Rocks are made out of minerals. That's why rocks can be so many different colors. Page 13. This rock is made of different minerals. Can you see them? Look for the black mineral. Look for the pink mineral. Look for the gray mineral. These are the minerals in this rock. This rock is called pink granite. Ooh, look at all the different colors in it. I see black, brown, gray, some pinkish. Page 14, the story of sand. Have you ever looked at one grain of sand and thought, I wonder how it got so small? I know I have. Page 15. A grain of sand wasn't always so small. It might have once been part of a boulder. The boulder could have broken off a mountain. The boulder could have tumbled down the mountain. So sand started off as a boulder. That's really interesting. Page 16, maybe the boulder rolled into a river. Water in a river can move rocks. The rocks bump together in the water. The boulder might have broken into cobbles and pebbles. Cobbles are bigger than pebbles. Once again, cobbles and pebbles are darker. They're key vocabulary words. Page 17. Maybe the river carried the pebbles to the ocean. Ocean waves crash over pebbles. The pebbles might have broken into gravel. One of your vocab words. Pebbles are bigger than gravel. Page 18. Wind and water move and rub rocks together. Over time, rocks break apart. They can get smaller and smaller. They can break into very tiny rocks. This is called weathering. These tiny rocks are grains of sand. So weathering is definitely a key vocabulary word. It means when rocks break apart. Page 19, compare the sand from different places. So here is sand from Texas, Corpus Christi, Texas, to Dawson City, Texas. Same state, but very different colored rocks. Green Sands Bay, Hawaii, Plum Island, Massachusetts. Wow, look at the difference. Cape, I'm probably saying that wrong, Hatteras National Seashore, North Carolina, Dix Beach, North Carolina. It's so neat how rocks look so different in different places. Page 20. Next time you build a sandcastle, think about the story of sand. So Bryce, here's what I want you to do. Don't worry about comparing the rocks in order by size or telling the story of sand. I just want you to tell me, and you could have Mom record you saying it, or you can write it down and take a picture of it. Just tell me one fact about rocks that you learned from us reading the pages together. So one fact about rocks that you learned. Okay, bye.